We are Ireland's originator pharmaceutical industry, and we innovate for the world. We host all 10 of the 10 biggest pharmaceutical companies on this planet, and the industry provides quality jobs for more than 30,000 people. Every day, we innovate for the big and for the small. Together, we inspire homegrown scientists like Takeda's Jennifer McAuliffe and Ellen Duggan, who are proud to be working on pioneering cell therapy to treat rare conditions.
We manufacture a cell therapy product here for a complication associated with Crohn's disease.
We've seen testimonials from patients that have taken this drug in the clinical trial, and their lives have just improved immensely.
Through big healthcare, small miracles have happened in Ireland. Places like Westport in County Mayo, a town of 6,000 with nearly 1,300 people employed by Allergan, a beacon of success on Ireland's west coast.
I find it hard not to link somebody from the town that hasn't been employed or their family been employed with Allergan. To have that here in the west of Ireland in a small town like Westport, we're delighted.
And people like Owen Quinn, a type 1 diabetes patient who, due to innovation in medicines, can go far beyond his condition as a highly competitive endurance athlete.
I've got the ability to monitor my blood sugars while I'm out at sea kitesurfing, and that's quite spectacular.
It's no wonder Ireland has a global reputation for advanced manufacturing in pharmaceuticals. We are becoming more known for groundbreaking research too. And the benefits of all this medical innovation are being felt at home by people like Caroline Irwin.
I'm suffering from psoriasis for 50 years now. The new treatments are fantastic. It's life-changing, really. It's just amazing, the difference.
You'll find massive investment in places across Ireland, helping to bring forward the next generation of pharmaceutical pioneers. Like the world-class pharmaceutical hub in Cork, home to names like Pfizer, MSD, Novartis, Janssen, AbbVie and Eli Lilly.
The Cork Harbour area over the last couple of years has seen a significant level of increase in activity from a biotechnology perspective. The future is very bright for the Cork Harbour area.
This is what the pioneering spirit in pharmaceuticals can bring, and Ireland is increasingly at the heart of it, as someone like Orla Cunningham knows all too well through her work with Pfizer.
I think for me what's so exciting is the ability to do great research in a way that's directly applied to treating patients. Our goal is to think about from the beginning how we design a medicine that will help patients be able to have a normal life.
So, every day and in every way, Ireland's pharmaceutical industry is making good on the promise of science. Innovating for Ireland, innovating for life.